Me love me farming from evening till the morning. Me love me farming from evening till the morning. Ladies and gentlemen, once you hear that, you know it's the Crocus Bag Farmer, your favorite farmer man. I'm here on the compound, yes, St. Elizabeth, Jamaica, and I'm bringing you one of my favorite fruit here. And again, I am so proud of this tree because my neighbor, Miss Lovey, you know, General Pirate wife, gave me this fruit. I want to say about 5, 6 years ago, or even more, but probably about 10 years. And I told her that I was going to plant this fruit seed and I was going to bring her some of the fruit. And I lived to do that last year. And I'm very proud of that. So this fruit I'm talking about, ladies and gentlemen, if you haven't guessed it as yet, yes, this is the favorite famous June Plum. And you're looking at it here directly at the Crocus Bag Farmer, yes, Corporation. I've planted this tree and it has been through its struggle because, because I'm not on compound all the time. Sometimes I'm away, abroad, school, what so have you. And the people them, don't rate your property. So the tree, because it's a soft tree, it, you know, was molested a lot by the bigger animals them. The rope would, break it. And I was surprised, delighted, to tell the truth, to get the chance to pick a fruit last year because the tree survived all that turmoil. And as you see people, yeah, it's fruiting. You can see on the tree right here where its trunk is big. It got cut a couple times by ropes, but I'm just showing you the beautiful, beautiful June Plum tree, people. Beautiful. It's a sight. It's a sight. And it's a joy for I and I, man, to tell every little girls and boys to plant a tree so you can watch it grow. It's unbelievable that I plant this from seed, people. From seed. See? So remember, it's Rastafari Soldier, the Crocus Bag Farm. I'm here on the compound on the Crocus Bag Farm. Yeah, showing you the June Plum tree right here that I actually plant from seed. So just bless up yourself, hit the thumbs up. Yeah, if you love the farming from evening till the morning, yeah, more life, more joy, more happiness.